Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you enable or disable auto answer calls on your iPhone. So let's get started by opening settings. Now in the settings app, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility, tap on touch. Now scroll down to the call audio routing and tap on it. Now you may find the option of auto answer calls. Tap on it. Now toggle the switch to enable the auto answer calls, and you can adjust the timing of auto answer. You can tap on add icon to add more seconds and tap on minus icons to reduce the time. Now the auto answer call is enabled, and if you want to disable it, then again tap on auto answer and toggle off this option. Now the auto answer call is disabled. Now you can exit the settings, and please note that auto answer call feature in the accessibility settings may vary depending on your iOS version. So this is how you can enable or disable auto answer calls on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.